And there's a hack for getting it in a few minutes. And it simulates what it feels like to sink the qi. Mechanically, the qi sinks, but a person will catch up to the sensation slowly, even though this mechanic makes the qi sink. So what we're going to do is our partner puts a force on our body, and we're going to do a sudden drop. As soon as he pushes it down, I'm going to touch his base and just lead his pressure down to the ground, because I've got to be ahead of him. So as soon as he does that, I drop, and I want a decent amount of drop in my body. As soon as you have the drop happening and you get this physical drop, and whatever internals you've got, you just add that in, of course. Then I do all that on the inside with the feeling, but without the big mechanical drop. So I want you to do 10 times mechanical drop, and then alternate between a big mechanical sink and then feeling of the sink, and then mechanical drop, and then take the feeling and put it in the energy, and switch backwards and forwards. 15 minutes later, you've got sinking the qi. Now, it's not sinking the qi as in deep astral substance. It's sinking the vital energy, and it's moving the mass down, and the energy of the body just drops with your mass. But it's very, very close in sensation. Then all you have to do is the first transformation, the tuning the breath exercise, the 4-cycle breath, and then get that feeling to drop with the physical drop, add that in, and you have a proper sinking the qi feeling in your body. But doing it mechanically with vital breathing gets you there really, really quickly. So you need building the ball, vital breathing, shunting, add this in, and then put it into rebounding, and you've got something pretty close to sinking the qi. All right, have a play.